friends, welcome to another video of Maths Vibes. Today we will be discussing chain rule of differentiation, that is derivative of a function of a function. So whenever we have a composite function such as this, composite functions are in this form. Now we have to apply chain rule. So today I will be discussing an easier method of applying chain rule and then to identify where should we use chain rule. For example, we have a function sine 2x. Now here, this is a composite function. Now to apply chain rule, what we do, we take this, the angle of sine as t. Then the function y will become sine t. Now we will derivate t with respect to x, that will be dt by dx, get 2 dy by dt, answer is cos t, and now to get dy by dx, derivative of y with respect to x, we will multiply dt by dx with dy by dt, and the answer will be 2 cos, and in place of t we will place the value of t, that is 2x. So the answer is 2 cos 2x. Now, an easier method to apply chain rule and to identify whether in a given function we should use chain rule. We know the basic differentiations. I write it as 17 functions, 6 trigonometric functions, 6 inverse trigonometric functions, exponential, arithmetic, constant and log. So these are 17 basic differentiations, and in all of these except the constant function we have x. So wherever x is not alone, this is a basic function of sine. Now in place of this x has something with it. X is not alone. Then for example, sine 3x, sine ex, sine log x, or sine 2x plus 3. Now in all of these, x is not alone. There is something with x. Then we must use chain rule. So what we should do, we should differentiate the function which has come in place of x. Here 3x, derivative is 3, and the derivative of sine will be cos 3x. Angle will remain the same. This is the derivative of sine 3x. Now here, derivative of ex is ex, derivative of sine function is cos, and the angle will remain same. This is the derivative of sine ex. So what we are doing, we are differentiating the function which has come in place of x first, then we are derivating the basic function, and the angle in the case of trigonometric function will remain the same. Here also derivative of log is 1 by x, sine function cos, and the angle will remain same. This is the derivative of sine log x. Now sine 2x plus 3. Derivative of 2x plus 3 is 2 sine cos, and the angle will remain same. Now suppose we have sine square x. So to derivate this can be written as in another form sine x the whole square. Now the basic function for this is x square. X square, this. Now to derivate this, we'll first find the derivative of sin x, that will be cos x, and the derivative of x square is 2x, 2, and in place of x, the actual x, that is sin x. So the answer is 2 sin x cos x, that can be written as sin 2x. So this is the derivative of sin 2x. Now let's have an example from inverse trigonometric function. Suppose I have sine inverse x cube. So now the basic function is sine inverse x. So in place of x we have x cube. So we will first find the derivative of x cube, that is 3x square. Now sine inverse, derivative of sine inverse is under root 1 minus x square. And what is our x? It is x cube. So this will become 1 minus x cube the square. 3x square under root 1 minus x6. This is the derivative of sine inverse x cube. Another example, suppose I have a function under root 2x square minus 3. Now the basic function here is, this can also be written as 2x square minus 3 raised to power half. So the basic function here is x raised to power half. And the derivative of x raised to power half or root x is 1 by 2 root x. So here in place of x we have this. So the derivative of 2x square minus 3 is 4x. And the derivative of x raised to power half is 1 by 2 root whatever is there in place of x, that is 2x square minus 3. So we can simplify this will be 2x square minus 3. So this is our chain rule. I hope this might help you. You might find this easier and will understand easily where we should use chain rule. Thank you so much. That's all for today. In another video, we will be discussing another aspect of mathematics. Till then, take care.